So their entire technological advancement has been to manipulate, to control, to dominate, and to control nature. To fool nature.
That's right. To cheat nature.
To cheat nature.
Yes. Yes.
And you can't do that.
No.
Even to the fundamental of the commercials that we see with everyone trying to stay young, trying to cheat time, trying to be 60 but look 20. My mother used to call it growing old gracefully. And as I see what's happening out here, the amounts of money being spent on trying to maintain your skin, various parts of your body. Exercise is separate. Exercise is something we all should be doing. Well, look, I believe in exercise.
But you're not going to get any Botox, Professor?
Say what?
You're not going to get any Botox?